Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix USB keeps disconnecting and reconnecting in your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your USB again and again connects and disconnects in your Windows 10 or 11, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to click on Start menu, or you can just right click on your Start menu. Click on Device Manager. You can see a Device Manager. Click on that. Just expand this option. Guys, in this you can see here Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Just double click and expand this one. You can see here Generic USB Hub. You need to update this driver. Just right click on that. Click on Update Driver. Before clicking Search automatically for the drivers, you have to make sure that you have connected to the internet. After connecting to the internet, just click on Search automatically for the drivers. After that, just close this window and update another driver. You can see here USB root hub. Just right click on that, click on update driver and click on search automatically for the drivers and close this window. You can see here USB root hub 3.0. just right click on that, click on update driver and click on search for automatically and close. Guys, after doing this still you are facing the issue, you need to do another thing. Just right click on that generic USB hub and click on uninstall a device and click on uninstall. You need to do same for this also. Just right click for USB root hub, uninstall device and click on uninstall. You need to do same for this option also, USB root hub 3.0. right click, uninstall device and click on uninstall. After doing this, once you need to restart your laptop or PC. After restarting your laptop or PC, you need to visit again Device Manager. Just right click on Start menu, then click on Device Manager. Right click on Generic USB Hub, click on Properties, come to the Power Management tab. If it is checkmark, you need to uncheck this option. Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. You have to make sure that you have unchecked this option and click on OK. You need to do same for this also, USB root hub. Just right click Property, click on Power Management and uncheck this option and click OK. Same for this option also, Properties. If it is checked, you need to uncheck this option and click OK. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix USB keeps disconnecting and reconnecting in your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.